Good morning, community. On behalf of victims, on behalf of those who need a voice, and those who are looking to learn more so they can get through whatever BS you may be going through in domestic violence, I am Clayton here with another informative and insightful, I hope, broadcast into domestic violence, ways that you can help yourself if you happen to be in adverse situations, excuse me, and just general knowledge, people trying to help other people who, like myself, may have been unfortunately in a situation with an ex-partner who is obsessed and trying to destroy you. Hold on 1 second, people. You know the routine. All right, 2 seconds. Bang, bang, la, la, la. Come on. All right. Stop. Oh, there you go. Okay, so today's broadcast, people. Today's broadcast concerns attorney misconduct. Now, attorney misconduct is serious because attorneys are entrusted with the process of the court. They are the guardians to the I would say authority, which is the judges. They are the guardians to justice. An attorney is hired to represent the truth. An attorney is hired to present the truth in all capacities, whether the person be a defendant or it be a prosecutor. An attorney's job is to tell the truth from their perspective of the side of the law, whether it be defense or whether it be prosecution. But in some instances, you'll have attorneys who are willing to violate ethical and societal, I would say, standards in order to obtain an objective favorable for clients. This is why you find prosecutors who falsify evidence and send innocent people to jail. The same way you find defense attorneys who falsify documents to get clients off, who falsify documents to help clients obtain illegal objectives. In every state is controlled by two things. Every state's attorney system, excuse me, is controlled by two things. One is probably rules of professional conduct. The rules of professional conduct control the conduct of every attorney, probably in every state in the United States of America. So do the rules of judicial conduct. Those are the rules that control the conduct of attorneys, judges, and prosecutors in court. And attorneys, judges, and prosecutors have to follow these rules to be in accordance to give us a fair and I would say just legal system. But in some instances, like I've just said, you have attorneys who will violate these rules of professional conduct. And the problem is, as a regular Joe Schmo ordinary citizen, if you don't know the proper procedures or methods to, I would say, expose this misconduct, it will be overlooked and your rights will be violated. It's not as simple when you find an attorney lying to say, hey, he lied on me. That's not how judges listen to you. No. Judges only listen to you through paperwork and through motions, and you have to learn what motions and what procedures to enact in your state or wherever municipality where you live, state, same thing, that you live so you can get the justice you need if you happen to come across attorney misconduct. I myself happen to be dealing with issues in the state of New York and New Jersey. For purposes of this broadcast, I'll probably be using the state of New Jersey because I'm a little more familiar with that now than the state of New York. But people, my learning is multi-state. So pretty soon I'll be good at New York and I'll do a broadcast about New York. But today we're going to do New Jersey. So New Jersey has what's called a New Jersey Code of Ethics. And I'm going to share my screen so everyone can be involved today because today, people, knowledge is power. And today we're going to go with it. Let's go. So we got the new, I believe it's that one, share screen. Yes, here we have the Code of Ethics for the state of New Jersey. And this Code of Ethics is going to be listed in the New Jersey Rules of Court. It's New Jersey Rules of Court, Rule 114, and it's called the Code of Ethics. Basically, what this says is that the New Jersey Rules of Code of Ethics is based on the rules of professional conduct and the Code of Judicial Conduct. These two set of rules, like I said, encompass the conduct of attorneys and prosecutors in the state of New Jersey. And this doesn't only apply to New Jersey. This is every state within the United States of America has a dual system like this that controls the conduct of attorneys and prosecutors who are there to help or either hurt you. So these attorneys, these prosecutors are mandated to follow the rules within their state system's rules of judicial conduct and rules of professional standards. And those rules are controlled by the American Bar Association, which has their own sets of rules, rules and regulations that attorneys have to follow in order to be in good practice standings and in order to be considered fair and just. But like I said, people, many times you will have attorneys who will falsify information, who will lie to courts. And this is a violation of attorney rules of professional conduct. In the state of New Jersey, those rules of professional conduct, specifically where an attorney will falsify information, is probably rules of professional conduct 4.1, which is the truthfulness in statements to others. And that is, I believe, right